The world comes around me.
Stop!
Like big, like a balloon. If the world around me, you wanna see my yellow teeth? Oh!
You are the worst, brother. You're so dumb.
You ready? Anyway, make us start up the vlog.
Release the dopamine, dopamine.
Hi guys, welcome back to PSYNOS Entertainment. It's been a while. I should have start off vlog still, but
Where should I start packing? Alright, y'all, so put on the little eye thingy because I like
PSYNOS, 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 Vlog World, Vlog World, call them. Talk to them now. Don't want to talk to them. We're starting off a vlog. Talk to them. You don't want to talk to them. So what? If you want to talk to them, then talk to them. So don't you want to talk to them?
or put my jackets that I'm packing in these little steel bags, which y'all seen these.
Sign up, babe. Babe, talk to them now. You don't want to talk to them. I'm confused. You say yes, you want to talk to them. But you don't want to talk to them. That doesn't make no sense. Talk to them now. Why? Why? So that's why? Hello? Babe. You want me eat him? So on the cast, I'm never try to take up the phone. I'ma say, yo, take up the back camera. I'ma say, let's vlog. But somebody ignore me. Guys, where? Stop, Jesus Christ.
Why embarrassed in public?
He's not, you're not embarrassing me. Me used to you by now.
And we there for him. They are Kingston and
Guys, so we're going to the supermarket. I'm going to buy one bubble gum for $20.
Yeah, and keep
And when,
$10
shut up
out.
now.
Don't do that to me.
And before I put the $20 in there, it's like somebody put a $10 in there, but it's stuck. So I'm going to take it out. I'm putting my $20. I'm going to take the $10. That's my check. Babe.
Should we get a sim?
Put up the yeah, my friends here. See, they're not like London.
See a green tea there.
The thing girl is white, but it's a tongue, but she's Jamaican. So I go on near mackerel. I'm tired of them things, my friend. I skate more on near lamb. You know? Or what do you want? Yeah, as a matter of fact, I'm tell you something. I'm tired of eating regular food. Right now, I want some exotic food. I want some giraffe. I want some iguana. Yo, I want to eat whale. And them thing there, you know what I mean? My friend, I want to eat tiger. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. I want to eat. What does something move slow again?
Snail.
No, man. The next one is on the street. I want sloth. Away there, my friend.
Is it a sloth?
You know what I mean?
A
Where
sloth?
there?
A sloth?
Yeah, man. Them thing there, them bossy food, them want to
Mama,
eat.
who that come in a Benz?
You know what I mean? Yeah, my friend.
Well, I know.
You want to eat some different animal. You know what I mean? One day I'll have 12 birds and them
No.
thing there. Eh? My friend alone, have people them happy alone. Stop for hype. And enough of them are drive hype car. Let me tell you something. No boy on the sick. Let me tell you something. The guy was ATM one time. The man pull up with a same AMG Benz there. The man go in there, the man look clean, you know, rasta everything, the man smell clean, everything, man have iPhone, everything. I face you. Yo, the man draw him money and I forget.
Same there, one man, a big.
Well, no, I forget. Him forget when
Big
him draw the
rich
money.
too.
Him got the ATM. Him draw the money and forget to take the receipt out. Me and my parcel. Me not normally do it, right? Go and go look for the can. Me backside $100 man have in a account. Me have about 5 grand in my thing. Yes, I look on this big old money I drive big can. You broke like dog.
Everybody go through stuff.
You want me go in your bag, yeah? But me go through. You want me go in your bag and fast, you know? The moral of the story is,
Everybody go.
don't take up hype car and no dead for hungry. Stay
Everybody
within
go.
your budget.
Babe, I say you make me sit down in the stand and the stand about out me.
Tar out because we remember we did 6, so we are tar out the cowl. Oh yeah.
Babe, just stop now. I can't be doing this stuff. People are looking for me.
What is
I'm
that?
embarrassed.
Come where do come to you?
Stop doing them something. I
I'm
want to
stop
people that ever
embarrassed.
see how people are looking for me.
You're my gravy, and I am your eyes. So you're not me, sir. You're jamming, sir. Stop chewing me up,
But
sir.
Master Leah,
Jesus Christ, run. Get me tablet, get man psycho.
the man go in the
Man,
supermarket and said to the woman, say, I'm mad tablet them.
Yeah, man, I'm a mad tablet them. All of
My
them.
ears cock up, one loose. Babe, stop now.
But you can put on plunger in the chase say cock up. Lord fire come father. Hey son, how you doing on some money ugly boy?
Yo, when we go home, I go watch Fat Albert.
No, I want to lose some weight, man. I want to go on that. Oh my God, what is that? Look at that. What is that? Jesus.
I go watch Fat Albert.
Holy shit. Look at your face.
Oh my god, look on Bigs, guys. There's Bigs.
But you need to go me and Jimmy your best friend.
I go stop trouble people coming there favor. So orange. Bomba. Die. Move.
Somebody I call my phone, me have credit. Morning. Yeah man, where the big brother? Was Scotia? Alright.
The cab is here, guys. Okay. The taxi is here, guys. So when we head home, we're checking back with you guys. Go on journey with us.
Journey with the two junkers them. Ah!
Speed off, Jesus. White tees, I'm a bean. Got some shop like you.